All right. To solve this problem, guys, I got one more to go through. Joshua, you all right? Okay. You waiting on me? Well, I'm waiting on you. So here we go. So you have -6 is greater than m over 2 minus 4. So again, to solve this problem, we need to look at this and say, all right, we need to undo our operations, right? So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to solve this without writing the equation. You guys know that you can just plug the equation in and solve it, right? But really, we just do that kind of for like mental purposes. You guys can just do the same operations without interchanging the equal sign. So what I'll do is, I need to solve this just like an equation. So I need to get the variable by itself. To do that, I need to undo addition and subtraction. So to undo subtraction of 4, I add 4. Therefore, it provides me a -2 is less than m over 2. Then I need to undo division of 2 by multiplying by 2. -4 is less than m. So now, here comes a couple points that students are going to make mistakes on. So I'll kind of address these here, especially as Alex is talking, where he won't be noticing these mistakes. All right, so a couple mistakes, misconceptions that students commonly refer to. First thing they do is, I looked at this, remember I said whenever we multiply or divide by a negative number, we flip the sign, right? Well, so we multiply by 2. Now a lot of students would say, oh, well, okay, you didn't multiply by a negative number, that's okay. But then some students look at this, they say, well, you multiplied, but then you multiplied it by a negative number. Well, that's not what I'm saying. I'm saying the number that you multiply on both sides, if that number is negative, then you flip the sign. So just because I multiplied this number times this -2, that does not mean a negative number multiplied to flip the sign. So the sign is still going to remain the same. All right? It's the number that you multiply on both sides. If that number is negative, then you flip the sign. The other mistake that a lot of students make is they say, oh, wherever the arrow is pointing, that's where my graph goes. So they say, you know, we know to make a point at -4, and then they say, since the inequality symbol is going this way, that's where my arrow goes, right? Well, it's a big misconception. I told you guys to do your test points. The reason why we did test points is so we can double check to make sure what we're doing is correct. However, some of you will notice the shortcut is it actually goes where your inequality sign goes only when the variable is on the left-hand side. So to convert this, where the variable is on the left side, I just need to remember that you could say my alligator teeth are eating the -4. So if I rewrite this with the m on the left side and my inequality sign eating my -4, it would look like this. So then if I follow the rule that, all right, when the inequality sign points to the left and my variable is on the left, it's going to go here. Because remember, we can also say it out loud. M is the numbers that are less than -4. Well, what's less than -4? Jeez. No wonder. What's less than -4? -5 or -3? And remember, less than -4 is going to be -5, -6, all the numbers to the left. Okay? Remember though, if you're having problems, just do your test points. That'd be the easiest thing. All right, that's it.
Yeah.